We have a Tormach CNC milling machine, model PCNC 1100, serial number 1228. Machine was new in 12/2007, or basically 2008. We're going to run her for you. Spindle's running right now at 500. Spindle goes up to 5100 RPM. 1500. Spindle has an R8 taper, like a Bridgeport. 2500. You have a 34 by 9.5 inch table with 18 inches of X, 19 of cross, and 16.25 of Z. That's 4,000 RPM. Very quiet. The control is a MACH 3, which is a PC-based control. All right, we're running one axis, vertical. Now we're running the saddle in and out. And we're running the X. So you've seen the X, Y, and Z. Machine's original paint, by the way. So 1.5 horsepower spindle drive. Hey, thank you for watching our video.